Imagine waking up in Switzerland and hearing something unusual. No traffic, no car horns, no busy roads, just birds, mountain air, and the sound of nature. Across Switzerland, there are villages where private cars are banned or heavily restricted. People walk, cycle, or use trains and electric vehicles instead. Today, we are exploring 10 beautiful Swiss villages where life moves at a slower pace. Number 10, Miren. We start with Miren. This small mountain village sits high above the Lauterbrunnen Valley. Private cars cannot drive into the village. To reach Miren, visitors normally use a cable car and mountain railway. Once you arrive, the views are incredible. The famous peaks of Eiger, Minch, and Jungfrau rise in the distance. Wooden houses line the peaceful streets. Walking through Miren feels like entering a mountain postcard. Number 9, Wengen. Next is Wengen. This beautiful village sits high above the Lauterbrunnen Valley. Private cars are not allowed in the village. Visitors arrive by mountain railway. Because there is very little road traffic, the village feels calm and peaceful. Traditional wooden houses sit against a huge mountain backdrop. In summer, green meadows cover the hills. In winter, snow transforms Wengen into a beautiful mountain escape. Number 8, Sauce-Fee. Sauce-Fee is one of Switzerland's most famous car-free mountain villages. It is surrounded by high Alpine peaks and glaciers. Visitors leave their cars outside the main village area. Inside, people walk through quiet streets or use small electric vehicles. The village has a wonderful mix of traditional buildings and modern hotels. The mountains around Sauce-Fee make almost every street look like a postcard. Number 7, Zermatt. Zermatt is probably the most famous name on this list. The village sits beneath the Matterhorn. Private cars are not allowed in the village center. Instead, visitors can walk or use electric taxis and other local transport. This makes the streets much quieter than you might expect from such a famous destination. And then there is the Matterhorn. Its sharp peak rises above the village and creates one of the most famous mountain views in the world. Number 6, Bettmeralp. Bettmeralp is a peaceful mountain village in the Swiss Alps. Cars are not allowed on the main village roads. You reach the village by cable car. Once you arrive, you find walking paths, wooden houses, green meadows, and huge mountain views. The village is especially beautiful in summer. Hiking trails connect Bettmeralp with other mountain areas. It is a great place for people who want to leave city noise behind. Number 5, Riederalp. Riederalp is another peaceful car-free village in the Alps. It sits on a high mountain terrace above the Rhine Valley. Cable cars connect the village with the valley below. Inside Riederalp, walking is the easiest way to explore. Green meadows surround the village during summer. The Aletsch Glacier is also nearby. The combination of open fields, mountains, and glaciers makes this place feel almost unreal. Number 4, Braunwald. Braunwald is a small mountain village in the canton of Glarus. Private cars cannot drive into the village. A funicular railway takes visitors up the mountain. At the top, the atmosphere is quiet and peaceful. There are hiking trails, traditional houses, and wide mountain views. In summer, the area becomes bright green. In winter, snow covers the village. Braunwald is a perfect place for travelers who enjoy nature without heavy traffic. Number 3, Steus. Steus is a tiny mountain village surrounded by the Swiss Alps. It is completely car-free. The journey to Steus is part of the experience. Visitors can reach the village using a steep funicular railway. The village sits high above the valley. From here, you can see beautiful mountains in every direction. There are also hiking trails and mountain viewpoints nearby. Steus feels peaceful because there are no normal roads filled with cars. Number 2, Fischeralp. Fischeralp is a high mountain settlement in the Valais region. Cars cannot drive into the main area. Visitors reach it by cable car. The village is surrounded by open alpine landscapes. In summer, green grass covers the mountains. In winter, snow turns the area into a ski destination. The peaceful atmosphere makes it a great place to escape busy roads. Number 1, Gimmelwald. Taking the number 1 spot is Gimmelwald. This tiny mountain village sits above the Lauterbrunnen Valley. It is one of the quietest places on our list. There are no normal roads connecting it to the outside world. Visitors usually arrive by cable car or on foot. Old wooden farmhouses sit among green meadows. Huge mountains rise around the village. There are no busy streets or large shopping centers. Life here feels simple, and that is exactly what makes Gimmelwald so special.